How to replace the touchpad board.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Carefully peel back the foam pad that covers the touchpad board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Peel back the retention tape and use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the NFC antenna ZIF connector and disconnect the NFC antenna cable from the NFC board. Remove the 6 2.5 mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the touchpad board.